So hello guys, today I am going to tell you about button, MIT App Inventor button. What is the use of button and what you can edit in the button. So first, this is my screen of the app and let's take a button for this. So first thing we can do in the button is we can change the text. Means this text for button 1 we can change it to like we'll change it to ABC, or let's say click, CLICK, click. Okay, now it's changed to click. Now the other thing we can do is we can change the height to fill parent or some pixels or some percent. So let's take 5%, it will be something small, and let's take full parent, so it will be full height. And we can change this button's width also, like fill parent, pixel and percent. So let's take 50%. okay, so this is 50%, and so this was the height and width. And then we can change the text color, means the color in this. First we will change the width fill parent, means the whole screen. Okay, so this text color is black. Okay, so let's change it to, I guess red will be okay. Yes, red is correct. Okay, and then the text color is changed to red. And if we want to make the text go to the left side, so we can go down here and text alignment, and then we can select left, so the text will go in left. And if we want to make it in the right, so let's select the third one, right, and then we want it in the center, to center. Now we can increase the text size, font size or the text size. So this is 14.0, we can make it as 50 for this thing. Yes, so it will become bigger. I will change the C capital, yes, like this. Then you can add the background color to this button, like its default color is, I guess, light gray. So we can change it to this many colors, and we can choose a custom color as well. So I will change it to magenta, or green will be good. Yes. So, and then we can change the button's font to bold, like this. This has become bold, and this is not bold. And we can change it to italic as well. See, this is italic. And then we can change the handwriting also, like sans serif, serif and non-space. So this one, or serif, or this one, like this. So let's keep it at default only, or we can keep it as serif, I guess. Yes. And then we can change the shape of the button. So I will make it as default first, automatic, and okay, and automatic. Now you can see that first we have to go in the screen 1, make that center, make this center. Yes. Now you will see that. Now you can change the shape of the button, like this is a rectangle, right? So we can change it as rounded, so it becomes something like rounded. If you see here, it's rounded. And then oval as well, we can change it to oval as well. So let's keep it rectangular only, or default. Then we can add an image to the button, means if we remove this text for example, and then I'm just adding a file. Okay, then, and it's added. We can change the background image to something as an image, like this, click me, and it will be clicked. Okay, now we have some blocks here. This is in the designer mode. We can go to blocks mode, and then let's see what the button works. So like we have some option when click, and this all options, long click or more, touch up, touch down. And we can change the background color also from the codes over here when we click a button, I say. Okay, let's add one more button for here. Change color. Okay, we can change the color. I'll change this background color to cyan and yellow. Yes, let's raise the size to 20. Yes, so now it's done. Okay, by clicking on the button we can change the screen background color also, like this, change background color. So this is the same. Okay, when button 2 click, okay, this is the button 2. Over here, let's remove this thing. Don't want this two things. Yes, so this is set screen background color 1. Okay, when we, let's say when I click on this button, the background color should change. Okay, so let's try button 1. Okay, we'll remove this long press, and then we can choose the colors over here, like yellow I will keep it. And then there are many options, like we can change the background color of the button also, and then enabled means we can click the button. If you don't want the person to click the button or the user not to click the button, you can make this as disabled. Okay, enabled false or true, like this. And then let's go to down, and then font bold size, we have seen this, height, button height, and then button background image. Then okay, this is not for us. Then text color, visible. Then the button should be visible or not visible, so we can add this also. When like this is my button 2, so I will just tell this as visible. Okay, let's change this to visible. And when this button, let's click this button 2 which is visible. Okay, set visible to false, and there is false logic, false. I will duplicate this and I will add a, let's add one more button actually. Then let's say not visible. Okay, let's change some code first actually. I will change this to C1 and then again to yellow. Okay, and then to 20. Okay, let's go back, and then this should be button 3 because it's not visible, so visible false. And let's duplicate this block only, and 2. Let's just make this button 2. Done. So this is done, and then when we click button 1, the screen color will be yellow, and then we can see many more options actually. Okay, this is, and then we can just select button 1, a single block, and then we have many other. With percentage, we can change from here only, from the blocks. Okay, if you need. Now if there are 3 buttons, right? Now I can make a code like this also in any component, and then any button. Then when any button click, so the background color should be, okay, so the background color should be, we can change the background color like that by any button. Okay, means if we click on any one button, the background color will change. Okay, it's not a specific for one button only. So this was for today. Let's meet in the next video in the next topic of MIT App Inventor. Till then, bye.